In this jaw-dropping clip, a man is jolted awake by a deafening plant explosion that lights up the Texas night sky. As he rushes outside, his face reflects a mix of awe and concern as he witnesses the fiery chaos in the distance. The incredible footage gives us a front-row seat to the raw power of nature and the human reaction to an extraordinary event.
Holy shit! Holy shit! Fuck! Hey, this is one hell of a boom. Get back in the house. I call 911!
In the dead of night, a mysterious figure approaches a house porch, shrouded in darkness. With furtive movements, he tries to snatch something valuable, but little does he know, he's stepping into a homeowner's trap. In the early light of the morning, a sense of urgency fills the air as three mysterious individuals step out of their car, drawn to the homeowner's property like moths to a flame. With the sun barely rising, they begin to scope out the house, their intentions shrouded in darkness. But fear not. The homeowner is wide awake and alert, ready to defend their sanctuary. As the daring confrontation unfolds, the morning silence is shattered by the homeowner's unwavering resolve. Their bravery sends the intruders packing, their plans foiled by the unexpected resistance. In this next clip, an unexpected intruder approaches an apartment building, shirtless and full of mischief. Little does he know that he has chosen the wrong territory to trespass. But as he attempts to slip inside, he is met with a vigilant force, a fearless homeowner determined to protect his abode.
What are you doing? Back away from my house, now. Get the fuck out.
In this scary footage, captured by a vigilant homeowner's Ring doorbell camera, we witness an enigmatic man cautiously approaching the front door. As the automated voice prompts him to leave a package, the man's demeanor turns to unease, and he hesitates to comply. But his unsettling behavior doesn't end there. Instead of making a hasty retreat, he lingers, a dark cloud of ominous intent shrouding his every move.
Please leave the package outside. If you'd like to leave a message, you can do it now.
Get the fucking house!
In an unforeseen turn of events, the same enigmatic man returns to the scene, just minutes after his initial confrontation with the vigilant homeowner. What dark force compels him to come back? As the Ring doorbell camera captures his eerie reappearance, questions swirl in the air. What is his sinister motive? Why does he persist in haunting this unsuspecting homeowner's abode? In this next eerie clip, a man disguised as a construction worker emerges from the shadows and sets their sights on a random house. With knocking hands and a hidden agenda, this deceptive intruder makes a chilling attempt to gain access to the property. Just when you thought the danger had passed, the relentless imposter strikes again, undeterred by their initial failure. This time, they come prepared to break into the very heart of the home. The fake construction worker returns, bolder than before, with sinister intentions lurking in their shadows. This audacious intruder skillfully managed to navigate the back door of the house and infiltrated the property, shattering the homeowner's sense of security. As they move through the house like a phantom, ransacking valuables and belongings, it becomes clear that this is no ordinary burglar. This cunning criminal knows exactly where to find their prey, leaving no room for doubt that they are well-versed in the art of infiltration. In this spine-chilling clip, the line between safety and danger blurs as a man cunningly disguises himself as a harmless delivery guy from Grubhub. With sinister intent concealed beneath his deceptive appearance, he sets his sights on a seemingly ordinary property. As the Ring doorbell captures the disturbing scene, we are left to ponder the lurking dangers that can come knocking at our doors. The imposter, emboldened by his elaborate ruse, approaches the property with an air of confidence, hoping to exploit any vulnerability he can find. Thanks for joining me on this thrilling journey through a collection of scary, bizarre, and creepy doorbell encounters. I hope these clips have left you both entertained and more cautious about the world around you. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, to share it with your friends, to comment down below and to subscribe to my channel for more spine-tingling content.